This peppered gizzard is very simple to make and a must try for gizzard lover. So sit back and watch to the end to see how I made this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you.
Yummy, yummy. Delicious.
The first step is to add in your well-washed gizzard in a pot and season with seasoning cubes, garlic powder, onion powder and salt to taste. Mix well to combine and allow it to cook on its own juice before adding water if needed. Few minutes later, I check on the gizzard and it's fully cooked. I will set it aside and place oil on fire for frying. In a preheated oil, I will transfer the cooked gizzard and allow it to fry. You may also dry it in the oven or air fryer if you don't want to fry it. Once that is done, I will scoop it out of the oil and set aside. Next, I will transfer the fried gizzard in a pan and my roughly blended onions and peppers. I will stir very well to combine and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and small amounts of all-purpose seasoning. I will give it a good stir and allow it to fry for 3 to 5 minutes on a low heat. Minutes later, I will garnish with spring onions and we are done. Serve with any drink of your choice or you can complement it with anything you prefer. I hope you give it a try. Very simple but yet delicious. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!